What tools are you using for your online business? Well, today we're talking about the best tools for marketing. Hello guys, and thank you so much for stopping by today. Today we are going to be talking about the best online marketing tools. I'm going to just go over some tools that I use to start and run my business. Some of these tools you can definitely use for free, and some you do have to pay for. Just remember, guys, when you are starting a business, it is very important that you take into consideration that you're not going to be able to do everything for free. There's a lot of tools out here that you can do for free to start out, which is great. But if you want to get that business to the next level, you are going to definitely have to plan how you would like to spend your money and where it would be most helpful to you. Okay, well, one of my favorite tools right now, first I'm going to say, is ChatGPT. Reason being is because ChatGPT can cover a lot of ground for you as far as helping you to find topics, titles, headlines, write articles, video scripts, and so on. You can do that, everything that I mentioned, for free. You can use ChatGPT for free to get all that information. But if you want to go more in depth with ChatGPT and get a lot of other things, I would advise you to pay for the $20 a month, which really isn't anything. As a matter of fact, I'm not even sure if it's still $20 a month, because I did get a notice, and they did say that if I wanted to pay for it, I needed to lock it in before February 28th. So, with that being said, I did just recently purchase the upgraded version for ChatGPT, which I'm so glad I did, because I do believe eventually these tools will be very expensive to use in the future. Right now, because it is in beta stage, a lot of them are free so that you can test them out, get your footing to see, what will benefit you most in your business. Okay. So like I said, with ChatGPT, you can summarize books. You can, find out the best topics for certain, keywords. You can find out, it's just so much that you can do with ChatGPT. If you start learning prompt engineering, there's so much benefit for using this platform here. Okay. So now the next one I'm going to suggest is going to be vidIQ. This one here is vidIQ. vidIQ is used in conjunction with YouTube. If you are running a YouTube channel and you want to make sure that you are getting as close to possible for getting views, I remember using another one. I'm not going to mention which one it is because I don't like, knocking other businesses. But I did use another one when I started another YouTube channel, and even though it was okay, but there was a lot of videos that I used, that I created, and I got absolutely no views. Now, with that being said, I did have a small paid version, but they did have other plans, and just goes to tell you, I started out with a free one. You do get what you pay for. When you go for the free, you're going to get the bare minimum, and that's just how it is. It's business. But with vidIQ, I did pay for an entire year, because I just bought it for the entire year because I don't like monthly payments. And I will say that since I've started this new channel, I've been getting views on every video that I put up. So vidIQ, this is another one. I'm not sure if vidIQ is free. Let me go into vidIQ and see. vidIQ. And I will see. Okay, vidIQ does have pricing. They have the basic, which is free. So there you go. You get 3 daily ideas. Like if you're just starting out and you don't want to pay, there is a free version, but keep in mind that you are going to be limited to what you can use. You can start at the Pro, which is $5 a month. Really not very much to pay, which I think is great. And if you pay it by the year, then maybe maybe like $60 or something like that. And you get so many other things than you do with the free version. So I would definitely advise you to check that out. And they also have the Boost section, which is starting at $24.50 a month. I didn't even know about this until today, that they had a Boost section. I'm thinking of considering using this, not right now, but in the future. I probably will definitely upgrade to this $24.50 a month to boost the post, but right now I'm at the Pro version. Okay, the next one, of course, you know what it is. Canva. Okay guys, Canva is like the go-to for everything. Canva, of course, again has AI. You can do everything from videos, pins, to, just to give you an overview, like right here, you could do docs, whiteboards, YouTube thumbnails, logos, videos. Go over some more. You could do documents, Instagram posts, presentation, Facebook posts, Pinterest pins, your story, Instagram stories, checklists. You can create planners, documents, flyers, Instagram reels, Instagram posts, ebook covers, websites, TikTok videos, business cards, and infographics. Okay, then there's Magic Studio that goes with Canva. The Magic Studio, Magic Design. You could do text to image. You could do text to video. You could do a bulk create where you can create 50 pins within about 5 to 10 minutes with the bulk create tool. You can, now a lot of these tools you can use for free, so you can start out with Canva for free. But if you want to use like let me go into one of the Canvas. Let me go into one of my pages here and just go into, let's say for instance, I click on this, edit image. Okay, wait, sorry, I clicked on the wrong thing. Okay, edit image, did it show up? Okay, background remover. You cannot use the background remover unless you have a Pinterest Pro account. Then there's also the elements, and if I wanted to, let's say, office organization, let's see some photos. Right here, when you see the crown next to it, those are all pro pins that you would not be able to use if you have a free account. You would only be able to use the ones that don't have the crown. And you can also filter it at the top by just typing in free. You know, the free tools that you want to use. Let's see if that works. I don't want to tell you guys that and then. Free picks. Yeah. Nope, that still gave me the same thing. Let's see. I'll have to find that out for you guys. I'm not sure what it is that you can type in, but you can definitely filter that out so it would only show you the pins that are free to you, you know, instead of having to go through all of them. Okay, so Canva is a must for your business, especially if you're going to be doing social media and you're going to be doing any kind of marketing. And the reason why I say Canva is the best is because of this. There are so many tools out here that are advertised and they are amazing. They're great tools. But after a while, you have to think and be smart. And because Canva, to me, is like a one-stop shop, you can get so much done in Canva for just one price. And that's the most important thing. You can buy all these other tools individually, and that's fine. But if you really just want to cut down and get a lot of bang for your buck, because I do feel that Canva, for the price, it's crazy the amount of stuff you have access to. It's absolutely mind-boggling. So, my advice, start with Canva. Even if you're doing stuff like print on demand, you're writing ebooks, you're doing manuals, you're doing planners, you're selling digital products, Canva is the place to be. And I would advise you to get the pro account so you don't limit yourself to your business. Okay? Next, let's go to Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a keyword research tool. There are a lot of other keyword research tools out there. This one here is really great. I do like it. There's other ones like Ahref. There's also Google Keyword Planner. The only thing about Google Keyword Planner, I think, is geared more towards the marketing with Google, like paid traffic. And it is a free tool. So again, like I said, you get what you pay for. This one here, I did pay for an entire year. And I'll show you what it looks like behind the scenes and how it's set up. When you click into it, it shows the weight loss. You get 138 search volumes a month. If you want to pay traffic for it, okay, it is $5.59 per click. Okay, this gives you an idea, and this is how it is set up. It gives you all the different words and things of that nature. Like it lets you know right now for this word, which weight loss surgery is best. It is getting 320 searches a month, and the cost, if you were to run ads, will cost you $7.56 per click for that ad. Now you can go down further. It'll still give you more circles, but if you go down further, it'll give you the keywords by alphabet. So, like weight loss apps, it shows that it gets 6,600 searches per month. And this is how much it'll cost if you were to do paid ads. But as you can see, by it being in green, green means that this is a good keyword and that you can definitely use this to drive traffic to your website, videos, what have you. Okay? So this is a keyword research tool. Everyone needs a good keyword research tool. Can you use ChatGPT for a keyword research tool? I am not sure. I think you can. But I feel like when you have that part that's separate, you can get a little more data when you have a specific tool just for keyword research, because you will need that data in order to better understand and read the analytics of it all. Okay? The next tool I think is really great, and it is the AI voice generator. Now, this tool, starting out, you can use it for free. Okay, but I found that it is one of the best voiceovers generators that I've seen since I've been on the internet for about 14 years. This is the best internet generator that I've seen. This is great for automation. This is great for sometimes if you don't want to use your voice. You want to just put in another voice. If you're doing a short and you want to add a voice to it, you can use this. If you was doing a presentation video that you were for maybe a company or something like that, or for a group of people, and you wanted to have a voiceover, this here will be absolutely great. Let's get a basic. Here it is. The beginning of knowledge
is the discovery of something we do not understand.
You see that? Another great thing about this is that if you have a platform where you're trying to reach different audiences from different cultures, you can pick on any one of these and change your entire video into that language. I think that's absolutely amazing. I think it's awesome. I think it's great. I'll let you look at the pricing. Free forever. You can do up to 10,000 characters per month, which is free forever. Or you can use the starter package, which is $1 per month. And, wow, that's really breaking the bank, isn't it, guys? Or here's another package, which is for creator. Their most popular package, which is $11 per month. You get over 100 characters per month and 2 hours of audio. You get everything that's in the starter plus. And I think that this is a great tool to invest in. But as I said before, you can start out for free just to get yourself started, okay? And of course, one of the best marketing platforms I find that's out today to use, a lot of people do use social media, Instagram, TikToks, and LinkedIn. I like Pinterest because I have built several Pinterest accounts and, built them up to a lot of traffic. And I feel this is one I'm starting out for free. I mean, at zero. It's been a while since I've done this, so I am building on this. I have not started pinning to this board, this account yet, but I will be documenting that as well. But Pinterest is one of the best places for traffic. Pinterest is not a social media site. It's just like Google. It's just like Google. That's what Pinterest is. You go to Pinterest for inspiration or look for answers. The same thing you do when you go to Google. The only difference is that Pinterest has pictures and Google has words. Okay? It is a search engine site. Okay? So, that is all the tools I'm going to share with you guys today. And I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope you got some information out of it, got some insight, and some better tools that you can understand and maybe want to use in your business to help elevate your business and bring your business to the next level. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next video. Guys, again, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check out my home office productivity guide as well as bonus planner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, Eli Voto Roulette. See you on the next video.